Welcome to linuxcenter.com. In this session, I'm going to see about how to secure the OpenSSH on CentOS 7.4. I'm going to do some of these steps for securing the OpenSSH. For that, first you need to open the configuration file. For that, command vim /etc sshd_config and press enter. Now I'm going to disable the root login. For that, you need to search permit root login. Here you can able to see the permit root login. Enable this line and then give no. This functionality is used for not allowing the root user to directly log into your server. After making these changes, now restart the SSHD service. Now save the file and restart the SSHD service. For that, command systemctl restart SSHD.service and press enter. Now the SSHD service has been restarted successfully. Now I'm going to limit the users for login to the server. For that, open the configuration file vim etc sshd_config and press enter. In this, you need to add the entry allow users space and the name of the users. I'm going to allow only the user 1 to log into the machine. After that, save the file. Now restart the SSHD service and press enter. Now the SSHD service has been restarted successfully. Now I'm going to change the standard port for SSH. By default, the standard port SSH is 22. Now I'm going to change it as non-standard port according to my wish. For that, open the configuration file vim etc sshd_config and press enter. Inside that, you need to enable the port number, and here you need to mention the port number which you want to allow. I'm going to allow 3456. After that, now save the file. After making the changes, now allow the port in the firewall. For that, command firewall -cmd -add -port equal to on the port number 3456/TCP and press enter. Now the port has been allowed. Now allow it as a permanent. So same command space -permanent and press enter. Now it has been allowed. After making changes in the firewall, now reload the firewall. For that, command firewall -cmd -reload and press enter. Now the firewall has been reloaded successfully. Now I'm going to give the SE Linux label for that port. For that, command SE manage port -e -t SSH _port _t space -p TCP on the port number 3456 and press enter. Now the SE manager has been allowed in the SE Linux policies. Now I'm going to filter the SSH at the firewall. For that, I'm going to drop the default port number 22 in the firewall. For that, command firewall -cm -permanent -direct -add -rule IPv4 filter input _direct 0 -p TCP -d port, and here you need to mention the port number 22 -m state -state new -m recent space hyphen FN set and press enter. Now the rule has been get setted. Now I'm going to reject it by using the hit count. For that command firewall -cmd hyphen permanent hyphen direct space hyphen add rule IPv4 filter input underscore direct 1 hyphen p TCP hyphen dport on the port number 22 hyphen m state hyphen state new hyphen m recent hyphen update hyphen seconds 30 hyphen hit count 4. Here you need to mention the hit counts hyphen j reject hyphen reject hyphen with TCP underscore hyphen reset and press enter. Now the rule has been get settled. Now reload the firewall. For that command firewall -cmd reload and press enter. Now the firewall has been get reloaded successfully. These are the some of the steps for securing the SSH. Subscribe to LinuxHelp channel. Visit www.linuxhelp.com. For support, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.